priceless is your love to me. A shelter wide as any sea. Beneath your wings my soul will hide, forever safe here by your side. Through darkest night to morning light, your mercy shines forever bright. No fear can stay, no harm can find. You are my peace, my faithful guide. When fear and doubt have filled my mind, your gentle voice speaks soft, so kind. You lift the weight, you calm my soul. Your tender love will make me whole. Through restless nights, your song remains a gentle fight through all my pains. Each breath I take, each dream I keep is guarded while I fall asleep. I lay me down in quiet rest. Your arms around my soul is blessed. The night will pass, the dawn will stay. For you have kept me on the way. As mountains rise on every side, your love will be my faithful guide. Forever safe, forever near. Your presence keeps my spirit clear. Through darkest night to morning light, your mercy shines forever bright. No fear can stay, no harm can find. You are my peace, my faithful guide. Through dark